Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell about a unit testing tool which is JUnit. Now, if you have to test your code to working on the first place, you can do ad hoc testing or you can build a test suite. Disadvantages are it, it is a lot of extra programming and we don't have extra time to do extra work. But the advantages are your program will have only fewer bugs and it will be a lot easier to maintain and modify your program. The old way of testing was int max this code and we used to check like this. But now we have assert equal. If 7 and maximum of 3 and so on, it will show true. We use assert equals nowadays. In the extreme programming, the tests are written before the code itself, and no code have no automated test case. The consequences are only fewer bugs, more maintainable code, and continuous integration. The JUnit is a framework for writing tests. It uses Java's reflection capabilities. JUnit helps the programmer for write and debugging the code, integrate code, and always be ready to release a working version. A unit test is a test of only a single class. A test case tests the response of a single method to particular set of inputs. A test suite is a collection of test cases. A test runner is a software that runs tests and reports results. A unit test tests the method in a single class. Let, like, let me explain. There is a test suite. Inside the test suite, another unit test. Inside the unit test, there are more test cases. Like this, it will be working. Now, let us write a JUnit test class. We have to import the classes, which is import org.junit and import static org.junit.assert. And we have to declare the class name and the variables. And here we have to define a method and initialize our variables in this method. So each test start with a fresh set of values. We can define one or more method to be executed after each test. Yeah, we have defined the methods and inside the method we have the test and one more method, the test method. Here we have to check arithmetic that multiply 2 into 2. It will come true equals 2 into 2 become 4 and 3 into minus 15 become minus 15. And one more test assert true if is positive, yes it is true, is positive, no it is false, if 0 is positive, no it is false. Within a test, call the method being tested and get the actual result. An assert method is a JUnit method that performs a test and throws an assertion error if the test fails. Okay. Next, we have counter. Just a minute. We have various assert methods such as assert equals, assert same, assert not same, assert null, assert not null. and asset true, asset false. Okay, let me explain the unit testing in the IntelliJ. Here, this is a basic code of testing the unit tests. First, we have given our class name as test here, and we have the notion which is at test. This is the main. Inside the notion, we have to open one method. Let us run the code. If we run the code, the test cases are running. Hence, these test cases are passed. This is the basic JUnit program which have the test cases inside the notion. Let us run the JUnit for the prime number. Let us check. We have I have written the logic for the prime number. If the number is less than or equal to 1, it is not the prime number. And from int I equal to 2, I less than square root of n, I plus plus. If n of I is if remainder of phi equal to 0, we have to, it is not the prime number. Which is the logic of the prime number? Let us run the code. I have given number as 17. 17, yeah, 17 is the prime number. Next, let me give 1. Is 1 is a prime number? No, it is false. Then 0. No, 0 is not a prime number. Let us check 2. 2 is a prime number. Yeah, true. I have some test cases for the prime number, which we have to check using the JUnit. I have 3 test cases. Inside the first test case, I have given all the prime numbers. Asset true, 2 should be prime, 3 should be prime, 17 should be prime, and 23 should be prime. And in the second test case, I have given same asset true, but 0, 1, 4, 15. These are all not prime numbers. If JUnit is running correctly, it should show wrong to this test case. And in the third test case, asset false. Yeah, negative numbers are always not a prime number. Let us run. Yeah, see here. The second test case is non-prime number. I have given asset true for all. This is not, this test case is not true. Let us check. Wait. If we give asset false, this test case will start running. Asset false, asset false, asset false. Okay, let us run now. Yeah, see here. Here all the test cases are running. Similarly, if we give here asset false, this test case will not run because all numbers I have mentioned are prime number. So we have to mention only asset true. If we give an asset false, this test case will not run and it will not satisfy the test case. See, here test prime number is not working. Similarly, we have to use this JUnit for many single class so that we have to check one method is working or not. For this thing, JUnit is used among various organizations. Hence, I have shown the JUnit for the prime number checker. Thank you.